Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammed Abdullah. I am the group leader of this project.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Anam Rafiq. I worked on a Flutter development part of the News Trust AI, which helps the apps to run smooth on Android and iOS.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sheikh Mohammad Mustafa and I have worked as front-end developer using Figma, and my core responsibility was to make sure the app looks clean and neat and easy to use for everyone.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammed Abdullah. I work on the routing part of the News Trust AI app. It connects front end and back end logically.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Shehryar Khori. I have worked on the backend part of the News Trust AI, which checks the fake news.
We all know fake news is everywhere these days on social media, WhatsApp groups, and all these other platforms. It's spread so fast that no one can keep up with checking it, and most people just don't have the time or the tools to figure it out if something is true or not. And this part is just annoying. It can actually cause real damage, especially during things like election, health emergencies, or events and breaking news, etc.
So we built News Trust AI, a mobile application that lets anyone check if a piece of news is real or fake in just a few seconds. Here's how it works. A user can either paste in a piece of text, drop in a news article link, or even upload a screenshot of something they saw online. The application takes that input and runs it through our verification pipeline. Behind the scenes, we are using transformer-based AI models like BERT to actually understand the language and classify the news as real or fake. But we didn't want to just rely on AI alone. Because of that, AI models can be wrong. So we also cross-check every claim against trusted fact-checking sources like Google Fact Check and News API. So user get a second layer of confidence in the result.
One thing we are really proud of is transparency. A lot of fake news apps just tell you real or fake and that's it. But we wanted people to actually trust the result. So our app shows you the exact words or phrases that made it decide something is fake using a technique called line. This way users don't just get an answer, they actually see why. We also added a chatbot that helps guide users, explains the result in simple language, and gives tips on how to spot fake news on their own next time. And since we are building this for Pakistan, we made sure it works in both English and Urdu, including Roman Urdu, because fake news doesn't spread in just one language.
On the technical side, the app is built with Flutter for a smooth cross-platform experience, Firebase for secure login and authentication, and a Python-based backend that runs the actual AI model. Every user also gets a personal history of what they have verified, plus simple analytics dashboard showing patterns in the news they have checked over time.